so because this guy hit him, then nobody cares about that, right? Nobody cares.
You see the video? Come on.
I was standing there. He hit me. He bumped me with his car, man.
Let me see the video.
I don't even know if it recorded. I was so damn nervous.
On April 6th, 2025, a parking dispute at a Hollywood, Florida boat ramp ended in felony arrest. 3 legal domains intersect in this footage: obstruction law, First Amendment protection, and the limits of custodial resistance.
Thank you for coming, man.
Yeah.
They're sitting right there on the spot. They don't let anybody park.
All right. Yeah, I got it.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah, you guys can't be blocking the spots like that, all right? You gotta go. Because you're standing in the road, dude. You get out of the roadway. You need to calm down first off. First off, you can't be standing in the road and you can't be blocking parking spots.
He hit me with his car.
First off, you can't be standing in the road and blocking parking spots. That's why you probably got bumped, right? Because you're standing in the road,
is that
right?
legal?
If you're standing in the road, yes. Come on, man.
It's legal to hit somebody with their car.
You're standing in the road, right?
Oh, so now it's legal.
Let me see the video.
She has it on video.
Are you hurt? You need rescue?
Excuse me.
Do you need rescue? Sir, do you need rescue?
I don't need to talk to you, sir.
Okay, goodbye.
We already
Alright, this is for trailers.
Yes, we already paid.
You can't just block parking spaces though.
But these people
That's
are
not how this
blocking
works. So you
us.
can't just block parking spaces.
But we paid for it already.
The road was blocked, so we
The
wouldn't.
road is still blocked because of this right
No,
now.
they were blocking it. So how are we gonna park?
It's because they
We already
blocked it.
paid.
We already
You
paid.
can't come over here and reserve spots.
We
That's not how it
already
works.
paid.
You can't come over here and reserve spots.
It's not
Where-
reserved.
You're standing in it.
We were here already.
Where is the sign that
Where's
said
your
that
car? Your
we
car's not
we
here.
can?
It's right there. The car's right there. We had to go around since you couldn't resolve the road blocked here. That's not
Move
on
out
us.
of the way
That's
so
on
you
you.
can park
That's
his
not
trailer.
our problem.
Move out of
You
the way.
had to resolve the road
Move
block,
out of the
right?
way so he can park his trailer.
I don't have to move out of the way. Where's the sign?
Where is the
blocking
sign
the
that
roadway.
said
Where's the
that
sign?
we can?
You're just gonna block the roadway at this
Where's
point.
the
and
sign?
Excuse me.
people.
Where is the
Listen,
sign that said?
Don't touch
Excuse
my
me.
mouth. Don't
No,
touch
no,
my mouth.
Alejandrito, por favor.
First off, don't
Excuse me.
touch my
Calm
Excuse
mouth.
me.
down a little bit.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Calm down a
Excuse
little
me.
bit.
Excuse me. Where is the
Calm
sign?
down a little bit.
Where is the sign that said that I can reserve?
Stop. Go over there. Just go over there.
Why is he parking? Why are you parking in our spot?
You can't reserve spots.
For which one?
There's no
Where
sign.
is the sign?
But they're
Where's the
blocking
sign that
us.
says that?
Where is the sign
It's
that
a
said
general
that
rule
we
parking
can
lot, but
reserve
there's no
the
sign.
spot?
You can't do that.
Where is the sign?
We're
It's
in the
first
parking
come,
space.
first serve.
Where is the sign that
We're
said
in the
that?
parking
There
space.
doesn't need to be a sign for
Where
that.
is the sign that said that?
Okay, now you just want to stand here.
Yo,
and
I
be-
reset the spot and I pay already.
Okay, that's a civil issue you can take up with the city.
Where is the sign that said that?
There doesn't need to be a sign.
Why?
Okay,
Because there doesn't need to.
No.
It's parking.
Okay, the solution, since everybody wants this spot, and
guys
we were
wanna
trying to
use
get
other
here,
parking?
where
You
do
can
we
go to
park?
Holland
Because we
Park.
already paid. Where
You
do
can
we
go to
go?
Holland Park.
We already paid. Where do we
Listen
go?
what I'm saying so I can tell you. You can go to Holland Park. There's
Hold
another
on,
boat ramp at
but
We
Holland
gotta
Park.
drive out. Our boat is there in the water already. We were trying to get here, and these people
Someone
blocked
can
us.
drive the boat over to Holland Park when you guys
We're
gonna
not
ramp up.
gonna do that. Why? Because they want to park here. Because we
You guys,
paid and we
they
told
got
them.
here first.
No, they didn't. We did.
Obviously, he's here first.
The road was
No,
blocked. We couldn't park because it was
we couldn't
blocked.
get in because it was blocked.
But you can't come over into the parking lot and reserve spots.
There's no sign that says that.
What is the sign that said that?
You don't need a sign to say that. Though.
Why?
It's still blocking the roadway.
No,
it's
it's
a
not.
ticket.
It's not a
Why?
roadway. It's a parking
No,
space.
so because this guy hit him, then nobody cares
Let
about
me see the
that,
video.
right? Nobody
You see the
cares.
video? Come
I
on.
was standing there. He hit me. He bumped me with his car, man.
Let me see the video.
I don't even know if it recorded. I was so damn nervous. He hit him. Look, it took the
So
floor.
you didn't take a video. So right now I don't have he said, she said. That's all I have.
Well, there's two witnesses right to me. Three people saying the same thing.
No independent witnesses. You guys can't stand in parking spots.
Is there a sign that says that?
It's a common roadway rule.
Where's
You
the
can't stand in
where's where's the
You can't
road?
stand in the road, right?
And
But
we
the notice
were
needs
It's
to-
not a road. This is a parking spot.
This is a road where
No,
cars
it's,
go.
it's not a road. It's a parking spot.
You can agree to disagree with me. I can
All
still give
day.
you a ticket.
We
All day.
reserved the park
Where's the ticket for?
and pay
Exactly.
already.
So obstruction of the roadway.
Obstruction of the road. This is not a roadway. It's a parking spot.
Whatever
He
you want.
was trying to go around and they were blocking him. this is a waste of time.
Obviously.
Okay, so can they move so we can park? Because we've been
No,
here.
he got here first.
No,
he
they're
didn't.
not.
He's been here.
No, they're
That's why
No,
he's
he
at the
didn't. The
parking
other guy you were talking to was blocking everybody,
they're
and we were
not.
here before
He
him.
was waiting for someone to get out so he can get in here.
No, we were already here, and he was blocking everybody.
That's
So
not
we
how that
went
works,
around, and now this guy's not letting us park.
Wow, I don't understand that you guys are like really going with them instead of us. When we've been here, we paid. The guy almost like ran him over. He hit him with his truck. Where's the justice here? Where's the justice?
Listen, you can go park at Holland Park.
No, we're not going to. Why?
Well, you can't stand in the parking
Why?
spot. You can't park. You can't
We
just
already-
stand
Why
here.
can't we park here?
Because he's trying to park here,
Okay,
and you
well
can't
then
just
they
stand
need
here.
to move out of the way because they were blocking us.
Right now, you're
That's
blocking the
why
whole
we
roadway
couldn't
here
park
because
here.
you're causing this whole disturbance.
No,
because you're standing in a parking
You
space.
could fix the problem really quick. Just tell
Yeah,
them to go
I could. I could
around
take all
and
three of you
that's
to
it.
jail. That's how I could fix the problem.
To jail for what?
For obstructing of the roadway.
The primary charge obstruction of a roadway under Florida Statute Section 316.2045 requires proof that the location was a roadway. Florida Statute Section 316.003 defines a roadway as the portion of a highway designed for vehicular travel, exclusive of parking areas. A designated parking stall does not meet this statutory definition. If the subject was standing within the stall rather than in a travel lane, the obstruction charge lacks foundation, and that threshold question was not resolved by deputies on scene. The disorderly conduct charge under Florida Statute Section 877.03 faces a constitutional barrier. In City of Houston v. Hill, 482 U.S. 4511987, the Supreme Court held that argumentative speech directed at law enforcement retains First Amendment protection unless it constitutes fighting words. Florida's 3rd District Court of Appeal in DG v. State, 661 so. 2D75 has consistently narrowed Section 877.03 to conduct that outrages public decency, beyond mere argument. Sustained verbal argument with deputies, however prolonged, does not clear that bar.
Causing and disturbing the peace. Obstruction. Why do you want me to go on?
Come on. Your
This is a
dad
nice
has to
Sunday,
go
guys.
in the
Come on.
water
We could go over to
already.
Holland Park. You can park over at Holland
It is
Park.
a
There's
nice
plenty of
Sunday.
spaces.
It is
There's
a nice
plenty
Sunday,
of
and
parking
we'd like
spaces
to
at Holland
park,
Park.
but everybody
no,
else
we have to
is
do this right
blocking
now.
us. I don't know what is the problem. Why
I don't know
can't you
either.
just have them move and we park our... It was
There's
there.
a line
It's
of
in
cars
the
here
water.
because of this.
We were in a line too.
Where's your car?
He's trying to get in.
So he's not
They
here.
blocked him.
But he's not here.
He is.
Been
But
here.
you
Where
need
is
How's
to...
he supposed to park if they were
Where
blocking
is
the
he?
roadway?
This guy?
No, he's
So you have two other cars
There is a
here.
car block.
to be able to park here.
No, there
In the spot
isn't.
that we already
There's no
paid
cars
for.
blocking. He's trying to park. He's trying to park.
And we
There's
already
multiple
parked.
cars in here.
Already
There
here.
goes a
And your guy
car
isn't here.
there.
We were already here.
You don't need to be here. The car needs to be here.
The car was here and we paid for it already.
Well, the car's not here anymore, so you're not occupying the spot, right?
Still paid for.
That's not how that works. You left.
Still paid for it and we're
it's
still
gone.
here.
That's not how that works.
Car or not, we are still
That's
here.
not how that works.
There's no
But
sign
where
that
is-
says you can't reserve
What
it.
is that
No,
the
that's
sign?
not how that
Where
works,
is the
man.
sign that said that I can reserve
All right,
on a spot?
we're gonna, like what he said. I don't mind taking someone to jail right now. So it's either you guys are gonna move, or you're gonna go.
Take me to jail.
All right.
No, please, no. Ve,
No way. Stop.
please.
Hey, record this, record
Please,
this.
it's a nice Sunday,
It
please.
is a nice Sunday, right?
Back up.
Please,
Back up.
please.
Por un foco y un parqueo, bro.
Yep.
Gracias, por favor.
Where are you going?
You're gonna make it more difficult than him.
Y'all having fun with this, right?
Nope, not at all, actually.
The most consequential charge is resisting with violence. Under Florida Statute Section 843.01, a felony of the 3rd degree, carrying up to 5 years in state prison. Florida courts have established a principle that defines the boundary here. A defendant may not resist even an unlawful arrest by physical force. The legality of the underlying arrest is adjudicated in court, not on scene. Physical resistance during custody is a separate criminal act, regardless of whether the order prompting it was valid. Under Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386-1989. Force applied during the arrest will be evaluated against the reasonable officer standard, what a reasonable deputy would do facing active resistance, after 7 minutes of verbal defiance.
So for that time, take me to jail, you're gonna take me? That's the key word?
Mira, Alejandro, ponte la
Back up.
chancleta.
Back up.
La chancleta. Por el parqueo.
Back up. We've been over this. I gave you guys multiple chances.
¿Pero
but
qué
no.
hizo?
But
What did he do?
Back up.
What did he do? What did he do?
Back up.
Paco, ¿por qué?
Mira,
¿Por qué?
Ah.
Nosotros, mira, estamos hablando perfectamente. Yo tengo mi mano acá. Yo estoy hablando perfectamente bien. Yo no te estoy hablando mal.
Bad person, so that's what he's gonna get.
Pero él no hizo nada.
¿Pero
Like a
qué hizo?
beautiful
Pero además no
¿Pero
existe.
qué hizo?
Mira, no
We're
existe
trying to
ninguna
tell him
ley
to
que
leave.
diga que
There's a
yo.
truck in the roadway. You see all these trucks
Pero es
here?
que no existe ninguna ley que diga que yo
You guys
aguante mi
weren't even here.
parqueo.
You guys weren't even here.
But it wasn't even.
These two were here the whole time, okay?
It was.
So I don't need to speak to any of you, right?
Please, sir.
No. Back up.
Vamos por otro lado ya.
Back up. No, no.
Lachi ya.
Now
Yo
you're
no quiero que
wrong,
se lleven
right?
a quien más.
Pero es que no se puso
You guys need
violento.
anything else from us? Because he's gonna take the ride.
¿Dónde va él?
He's gonna go to Broward County Courthouse,
Where?
the Broward County Jail.
Why? Well, yeah.
You guys can read the FP
I
site.
think
and
that
Why you
you
do
are
that?
doing extremista.
I mean, I'm asking for justice and you take it and do it back.
Pueden hacerlo porque son la ley.
I told you guys the issue. I told you how to resolve it, but you don't want to listen. You don't want to listen.
Queremos irnos aquí. En realidad, que fue tan grave como para que se lo lleven. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. I'm really not.
Put him in the front again, there's gonna be another problem.
El parqueo hasta lo pagamos. El parqueo.
Five, if the chair's attempting you to turn.
Oh, let's go.
Yeah, I
Up.
already did that. Do you need more units? Everything's set for them?
I couldn't breathe.
Have a
man. I was
seat.
trying to get their attention.
Units are raised. Okay, copy. Yeah, Eric 10 units go down response for 46.
He was ultimately recaptured and charged with resisting arrest both with and without violence, disturbing the peace, and disorderly conduct. If convicted, he faces several misdemeanor and felony penalties, including up to 5 years in prison and thousands in fines.
The subject's statement that he could not breathe during restraint opens a parallel civil exposure under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983. Deputies bear a 14th Amendment duty of care toward individuals in custody. A documented, unaddressed expression of respiratory distress could support a due process claim independent of the lawfulness of the arrest itself. The subject was ultimately charged with resisting with violence, resisting without violence, disturbing the peace, and disorderly conduct. Court disposition remains unknown at the time of this analysis. The deputies receive a B. Extended de-escalation over 7 minutes, a concrete alternative offered, and proportional physical response reflect professional conduct. Deductions apply for failure to formally advise of specific charges before arrest, and for inadequate documented response to the custody breathing complaint, an omission that creates civil liability exposure for the department. The subject receives a C+. His grievance was factually legitimate, his verbal challenge constitutionally protected. However, occupying the space with his body rather than his vehicle created the legal predicate for everything that followed, and physical resistance during arrest added a felony to what would otherwise have been a contestable misdemeanor. The grade reflects a legitimate claim, pursued through methods that produced maximum legal harm. The opposing group receives an A-. They communicated their position clearly and remained cooperative throughout. 1 deduction. If their vehicle made contact with the subject, even minimally Florida battery law under Section 784.03 may apply. That allegation was not pursued separately and was absorbed into the larger dispute. It should not have been. 4 practical lessons emerge from this incident, none of which require legal training to apply. First, use a vehicle to hold a parking space, not a person. A vehicle legally occupying a stall has standing under property and traffic law. A person standing in a stall does not and creates exactly the obstruction exposure the subject faced here. Second, a payment receipt proves a civil contract with the parking operator. It does not create a property right enforceable against third parties on scene. The correct venue for that claim is small claims court or a dispute with the operator, not an argument with a deputy. Third, if a vehicle contacts you, stop. Step aside. Request a separate incident report for that contact immediately. Do not fold a battery allegation into a parking dispute. Two separate legal issues, merged into one confrontation, become harder to prove and easier to dismiss. Fourth, when placed under arrest, the phrase "I am complying under protest" preserves every legal challenge available while adding no criminal exposure. It signals non-consent without physical resistance and keeps the misdemeanor from becoming a felony. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.